Hello, my dear student. My name is Tariq. Student, in this lecture, I want to explain about volume and surface area. I have already explained about volume and surface area or area. In previous lecture. Today, in this lecture, I want to explain about some important formula of the volume and surface area. You all know the figures are of two types. One is called 2D. Another types of figures is called 3D. Student, 2D means plane shape and 3D means solid shape. There are many types of 2D shape, you all know. Student, first number figure is rectangle. Rectangle is just looking like this. This is the length of this rectangle and this is the breadth of it. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Do you know this? Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Now student, area of rectangle is what? This is length into breadth. L for length and B for breadth. This longer side is called the length and this shorter side is called the breadth of this rectangle. This is a paper. And this side, longer side, this is the length, and this shorter side, this is the breadth. And this boundary is called the perimeter. Opposite sides of the rectangles are equal and these opposite sides are also equal. The total boundary is called the perimeter and this area is called, this is the area. Similarly, if you want to understand the formula of square, what is the formula of square? Now student, I am going to explain the formula of square, and this is the figure of square, student. All the sides of a square are equal. This side equal. And student, perimeter of square is, that is 4 into side. Area, that is side square. Or if this is A, then you can write A square. Similarly, now student, I am explaining about the formula of parallelogram. What is the formula? Parallelogram. Student, this is a parallelogram. Here opposite sides are parallel. And parallelogram formula, perimeter is also 2 into L plus B because opposite sides of parallelogram are also equal. Similarly, just rectangle. The area of parallelogram is base into height. This is the base and this, the distance between the two opposite sides or parallel sides of a parallelogram is height. There are many types of planes. You have to understand. Today I have explained only about the rectangle, square and parallelogram. If you want to know some more formula, अगर आप और भी formula जानने चाहते हैं तो आप कमेंट कीजिए, बताइए हमको, पूछिए. You know if you want. Now student, listen. First of all, 3D figure. Student, there are so many examples of 3D figure. This is a 3D shape. This duster is an example of 3D shape. Why this duster? Because it has thickness. This is thickness, this is length and this is breadth. Any figure which is in front of you, if it has thickness, then that is a solid shape. Cube. This is a cube. Each face of the cubes are square. This is a square in shape and then one more line like this you will write, and then after this will become a cube. This is a figure of cube. B for what is, and E for edges. What is volume? Volume is occupied space between the walls. For example, if you are in room, the space that between the walls, that is what? That is a volume, and volume of cube is side cube, or you can write A cube. Similarly, area, two types of area. Two types. Why? Because one room, the room is what? How many faces? 4 wall and top bottom 6 faces. Area of 4 wall, that is the curved surface area, and that is also known as lateral surface area. and the lateral surface area is each face of the square is a square, then 4 faces, that is what, 4a square. That's why you will write 4a square, the curved surface area or total surface area, and top and bottom 4a square plus 2a square, that is 6a square. Similarly, about cuboid, each face of the cuboid are rectangle, and vertices also 8, edges also 12, faces also 6. And you know student, the volume of the cuboid is what? Area of base, that is what, you know, L into B, this is area of base, and into height, this is the volume, 2 into L plus B into H. Curved surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into L plus B into H. You know student, total surface area is 2 multiply L into B, B into H plus L into H. Similarly, now cylinder. This is a cylinder and this is the base, and the cylinder, this is the radius, and this is the height of the cylinder. And student, this is a cylinder. Volume, you have to remember pi r, area, this is area of base, pi r square into height, that is pi r square h. And curved surface area is 2 pi r, circumference of circle, area or circumference of base into height, that is 2 pi r h. And total surface area is curved surface area plus area of top and bottom, 2 pi, that is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r you can take common, this. Now student, first of all, this is a cylinder, vertex 0 sorry, edges 2, faces 3, and volume, that is pi r square, and curved surface area, that is circumference of base into height, and total surface area, circumference to CSA plus area of top and bottom, that is 2 pi r square. If you will take common, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. Now student, you have understood this formula. I have explained this formula. First of all, you will write this formula, and then after you will remember this formula, and then after you will solve the questions of volume surface area chapter. If you want some questions, practice questions of this chapter, please comment.